Hi, this is Nathaniel from the Neon Exchange, and today we'll be going through how to check if you've been successful for the lottery registration and KYC round 1. So you can go ahead and click on check my result, and this brings you through to the NEX suite itself, or you can reproduce your lottery result by using the algorithm that we've created to randomize the winners. And this basically brings you through to a GitHub page with all the information and steps that you need to be able to do this. So if I go ahead and click on check my result, this brings me through to the NEX suite login page. So if you haven't signed into your NEX extension, you'll see the screen, but if you have signed in, you'll see the NEX suite itself. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. It's worth mentioning at this stage that I've created and logging in with an account that I have with the NEX extension, but you may use an encrypted key and password or private key. So once you hit login, you've now accessed the NEX suite. And you can see here that I've been successful in the round 1 of the lottery, which is great. Now below here we have a card of information. So the company that it's for, the stage that it's at, and the dates that it's active from and to. We go ahead and click on the details. You have information about the asset, so the ICO and organization information, the website, token ticker, max supply versus ICO supply, token price at ICO, and token standard. So let's go ahead and do the KYC. So straight away there's a bit of information here. So if you want to contribute up to $1,000, we only require certain information from you at this time. But if you want to contribute in the second round and you're selected to do so, you'll need to provide additional documents later on to help us further verify your identity. But this will happen after the first ICO round. So I want to go ahead and contribute in both rounds. And again, I'm reminded that I need to provide additional documents later on. So I'll just go ahead and fill this form. Now this full name that you use must match the full name that you submitted with the lottery registration, or your KYC will be rejected. Go ahead and select my country. Again, this needs to match your lottery submission. And for me, that's the UK. Now the address that it's pulled in is the address that you have currently logged in with on your NEX extension. So once you're happy with that, if you review your details, you can kind of go through, and if you sort of misspelt something or you realize something's not correct, you can go back and quickly amend that. But if you're happy with everything, go ahead and click these checkboxes. And the last step is reviewing and verifying all of this. So what will happen is a pop-up will appear from the Neon Exchange extension for you to securely sign and verify your details. So I'm just going to go ahead and review this one more time. And now enter my password in again. And I've cryptographically signed all of these details, and this makes sure that we can verify that the details you're submitting are your own. Give it a second. And there we go, success. Details have been sent. So now you can see the status is pending, and when this goes to approved or rejected, this will update in time. Thank you very much.